Good evening, everybody. My name is Jorge Alberto Gámez Manjarres. I'm a student of Bachelor's of Arts in English as a foreign language. This course is Testing and Evaluation in ELT. So the main objective of this course is to design a proposal in order to improve the teaching and learning process in the students. So this proposal is about those students who have special needs. Those students who present limitations in their performance within the school context and who have a clear disadvantage compared to others due to the physical, environmental, cultural, communicative, linguistic, and social barriers found in their environment. According to the methodology, the teaching language method, known as Total Physical Response, TPR, is ideal to be used for teaching students with special needs because it combines the speech with actions and proposes teaching the language through physical activities. On the other hand, the approach in this case about the communicative language teaching is an approach in which emphasis is placed on helping students use the language in a contextualized and functional ways. Its main objective is to help students create meaningful sentences considering how the student develops their communicative competence. The assessment in this case is based upon two parts. The main one is a mild cognitive disability, which is a cognitive or intellectual disability, a problem characterized by a delayed mental growth, this being an anomaly in the learning process, which refers to the late and incomplete acquisition of intellectual skills during human development. On the second hand, in the case of blind students, they are usually evaluated using tactile didactic elements, texture illustrations, three-dimensional objects, sheets in high relief, and text written by the Braille alphabet, with the aim of stimulating the learning of the blind students while increasing their opportunities for social integration. How the evaluation will be? The evaluation through technology. Technological supports are all types of equipment or services that can be used to promote the functional capabilities of people with disabilities in their independent lives. The use of technology is a useful tool to improve learning through innovative pedagogical methods and techniques. According to the conclusions, we can say that the development of physical, affective, cognitive abilities and communicative of students with educational needs promotes the greatest possible degree of personal autonomy and social integration through the use of new information technologies and the communication. A special education is not based on the categorization of deficiency, but this type of education has to be individualized because the characteristics and capacities of each child are different and personal. So this is the end of the presentation. So thank you very much.